Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the ladder blueprint in Subnautica 2. Wondering how to move between different floor levels inside your base? There's actually a ladder piece you can build to connect multiple floors together. You'll find the blueprint north of your life pod, around 350 meters away inside the old habitat. If you want a more detailed walkthrough on how to get there, feel free to check out the dedicated guide on the channel. Once you arrive at the old habitat, swim toward the building on the right side and head underneath it. You'll find a hole in the floor. Swim through the breach to enter the building, then go through the first doorway you see. After that, turn left and continue down the corridor until you reach a ladder at the end. Climb up through the opening in the ceiling to reach the third level. Enter the room with the NOAA console, then look to your right and you'll find a room recipe data card. Pick it up to unlock the ladder blueprint. Now you can return to your base and start building ladders to connect your lower and upper floors together, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.